Hey, I'm Alex from Techo-Bloc, creators of Hardscaper, your go-to reference for all hardscape education and resources. Our mission is to empower industry professionals with the skills and confidence they need to design and build amazing outdoor projects, all while running a successful business. When you sign up, you'll have access to on-demand video courses that cover topics like the construction of interlocking concrete pavement and segmental retaining walls, budgeting, job costing, estimating, and digital marketing skills, just to name a few. You'll discover our workshops where we get together with different experts on subjects like hardscape design, sales strategies, and job site optimization with different tools and materials. You'll also enjoy our weekly Hardscape Growth podcast, which features other pros just like you, sharing their tips and tricks to running a successful business and advice to help you get a leg up in the industry. We update our content regularly so you can stay in the know and ahead of the game. All you have to do is sign up now on hardscaper.com for free, and don't forget to invite your team to do the same.